Hello guys, I would like to show you today how to install the dash cam on Mercedes E-Class 2015 model E220. In right hand side of the steering is a UK car. These are all the tools you say we need, but before I start to explain you how to do it, I will just tell you something. I have tried a few shops to install the camera from the fuse board, and everybody's asking price was really high, so I decide I will try my best to fix it. And I do it. I already run the cables and everything, but I will show you one by one how to do it. This video, my younger son Jason is with me as well, and he's really excited to help me to install the camera. Jason, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hi everyone. Today I'm helping my dad how to fix a car, and he bought it from our country. And make sure you subscribe and like this video.
All right. So Jason is very excited to. So he explained whatever he can. But you guys listen. So this is very important things we have here. This is what is like the transmitter, I think, which is exchange the electric, and these are the devices and the cable you can find in eBay. Make sure you buy 3-meter long cable in this one. So it should be 3 meter for run from front of the car to back in the booth where is the fuse board is located. And it's one thing I just need to really need to explain to you. You see this one, this is the earthing connections, which is pretty small, and it is not, you cannot really put anywhere in the back of the Mercedes. So there is a nut, there is a screw which is a little bit bigger size, which doesn't fit this one. So I buy one of these, and what I did, cut here and then put this one, and all you have to do just fit in there, and then if you have a plus or something, pliers, it just push down so it'll fit properly. So whenever you fix this one, you need one of these for Mercedes E-Class. And then I show you some other tools. So second things, we need this one. So when you buy this and from the eBay, they will give you also with this one, they will give you another 2 or 3 of these, but those are smaller size. This is the size we need for Mercedes E-Class. And like this one, you have to connect here. So once it's connected here, and then this one and this one will go in the earthing box. I will show you later where is it located. And then they will give you also the extra fuse, so you can put the fuse here, take out 15 ampere fuse from the fuse box, and then put another fuse here, then it will work. So this is all together you can find 7 to 8 pounds in the eBay. Then you need tools, these plastic removal tools. So those are the tools really handy because it doesn't scratch car anywhere. And you need black tape, and obviously you need the dash cam, and also you need a zip tight, 2 or 3 pieces of zip tight. And one of the secret things I will show you, you need, I use this is hanger. So because I need to pass when I run the cable from one place to another, there is a very small place where you cannot really through the cable. So you need one of these, push, bring it, and put the cable here, put with the black tape, then pull the cable, then the cable pass to the another side where is the fuse box located. So I will show you guys now how I run the cable, and I will show you. If you need any kind of help, you can contact with me by the YouTube. Just put me the message on the box or comment, then I will reply to you.
So also it's better to add the link.
Yeah.
All description in the description.
Yeah. I will put also the link, all this whatever I can on the description. I will get you everything. So this is my friend who you listen the third voices. This is my friend who's helping me to do this video for people, and I hope this video will help so many other people who was struggling to put the dash cam in the car, because anywhere you go, any shops you go, you really have to pay 50-60 pounds to fit it, and if you don't fit it yourself from the fuse box, then you have to use the cigarette lighter, where is the you cannot charge your phone after that, or you need another device to charge, or it looks very ugly when it's like so many cables is up and down running, you know. So I will show you now from where actually the cable goes. So the cable goes from here. This is the dash cam cable. So I fit, like, let's say my dash cam, this cable goes here, and I did fit my dash cam here, and this is what my dash cam will be, but it will not see the cable here. I will put a little bit up. Let's say I keep a little bit more cables, because in case if I need to move one place to another place, the camera. So this is how is the camera will be look, but this is the little bit big size of the camera, and it doesn't bother me. So the cable go through, I put the cable here. When the cable come here, I use one of these tools, and you can just pull here, put the cable here, pass the cable, and then you can see the cable here. There is, so once you come here, the cable goes this way all the way from here to the back. So you guys, so cable come here, cable goes in there. This all, you don't need to do anything, you don't need to remove anything. All you just push the cable in there, and the cable is here. So it's all the way cable passes. There is a cable already, because I already run the cable. And once the cable come here, you stop here. You come down and stop here the cable. Then what I did, you pull this here, this rubber. This is, you just pull, it's nothing broken or anything. And then what I did this. So I use, this is what is, you need this, one of this cable runner or something, or I don't have cable runner, so I use this hanger because it's very thin. So what I did, because I pull now, this is, I put from here, and the cable this one goes in the back side of the back of the booth. And once I go back of the booth, what I did, the first things, I start from the back of the booth, the wiring. So I came in the back, because there is a small, the transformer have on the cable. This is, you cannot run here. So start from there, pull this one, put the cable and the tape, pull it, bring the cable here, then you run the cable in the front. So what I did, like you can see here where is the cable goes, but I will show you in the back of the car. Let me put this one back. So this is already fixed. You see, you don't see the cable is there, you don't see that. So once this cable go there, once the cable come here, guys, you have to, this is the fuse box here for Mercedes E-Class. This is 2015 model. What I did, this is the cable. There is usually is a two cables. So one cable, you remember, you guys, that I put here, that the earthing, this is the earthing. So you need tools to take out this nut here. and then put this one back and put the joint and put it back. So earthing is from here, and then this is, because this is the connected with the main cable, and this is come in the, this is what I put the black tape here, and this is come here. So this is number 15, just one second, number 71. Remember, number 71 is the fuse for the cigarette lighter. So this one, number 15, number 71 work with ignition. So whenever you start the car or you put the key in the car, the camera will be on. Whenever you stop the car, camera will be off. This is with the ignition, so it's number 71 fuse, remember. So you have to take out the original fuse from 71. You put this one you get from the eBay, and then they give you another fuse, so you have to put another fuse there, and then you put it back there, put the earthing here, and then cable runs from, I will show you, just give me a second, I have to get in there. So all you have to do, see, there is a small clip. So because it's basically the fuse box is there, and this is where the cable come from there. So all you have to do, there is a small tools, the one we used before. You just need to put in there and pull it down, because this is just a plastic clip. Don't worry, it's not gonna break anything. So when you take out this, you pull these things down, and then you can see there is the cable you pass, and then you have to pull this down as well, and then there is a cable come under this one on the fuse box. So this is how I pass the cable, and you don't see the cable here, nothing, you see. So all you have to do, one clip only, and then cable will be come from there, and then you just pass the cable under this. But there is a small transformer, I think this one will come here under this. When you pull down this one, there is a cable. What I did, I used both sides to zip tight, so I tied the this device in there, which is doesn't move anywhere. And then the cable come, one cable come in the earthing here, and one cable come in the fuse box. That's all you need to do. It's very easy. And one thing, just give me a second. Now I will show you if the camera is work or not. Just to remind you how the things will work there in the back there. And it's just give me a second. I'll show you this one. So basically, there is when you buy this, you will see two cables. One is red, one is black. So the red one will go in the fuse box, and the black one go in the earthing. But because of the earthing screw is a little bit big size, so I use this. And you can cut, you have to, so this black one will go in the earthing, and this one go in number 71, fuse number 71 in E-class, E220 2015 model. Once you do this one here join, make sure you make the with the black tape, tied it, and that's it. You are ready for this. Now we will start the car, and we will see if the camera is working. Yes, you see camera is working. So this is dual cam actually, because there is no memory card. It's a dual cam. One is in the front, one is in the back. One is inside the car, one is in the front of the car, and it's work. If I close the car now, turn off, camera is off. That's all. That's all, everyone. If you need any sort of helps with E-class, please send me any message or on the comment box.